Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a DIY quick weave, and to get started, as you can see, my hair is braided in these two big French braids. You can actually do more smaller cornrows, or just put your hair in a slick low bun. Anything will work for this style. And I do have a bit of leave out on the top. That's that little parted section that you see on top. And to get started, I'm just applying Robert's Diamond Bond Protective Shield all over my hair. This is a protective layer between your hair and the glue. So you definitely want to make sure you do this. That way you can protect your edges, protect your hair, and keep everything nice and healthy underneath. So just go ahead and apply that all over. And once that's done, you want to go ahead and blow dry it, or you can let it air dry, but that would take much longer. So just blow dry it until everything is nice and dry. I probably could have let mine dry a little bit more, but it was late and your girl was tired. So it dried for the most part, but it wasn't 100% dry. So let it dry completely, and then you can go ahead and continue and move on to the next step. So as extra precaution for my hair, I am going ahead and I'm adding two weave caps or stocking caps to my hair. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some more of the protective shield on top of the caps. That way I can, again, further secure and protect my hair from the glue. So I'm going to be using the Milky Way Wand Curl Weave, and I'm using mine in the style Popping Wand Curl. I normally would go for a number 2, however they didn't have any, so we're just going to make this work. And basically what you want to do is measure out each track that you're about to install and cut it to the length that you want. Apply your glue and go ahead and stick it down to your head. And of course you want to blow dry to make sure that this dries properly and it's not going to fall out. And forgive me guys, I know I keep looking at something there. I was watching my show, and also I had a little mirror down on the table, a little table in front of me. So that's why I keep looking in well, a different direction instead of looking at the camera. So you're gonna continue to do the same thing, measure, cut, apply your glue, and stick it down. And you'll just continue that process basically up until you get to your leave out. So here is what it's looking like so far. I know I look crazy. This curl pattern was really tight, and at this point I was like, oh girl, I don't know about this one, but I continued anyway. However, this track that you're seeing me apply right now is actually a different curl pattern because I ran out of the other one, and I just needed like 1 or 2 more tracks. Luckily, I had this brand before, which I was using just to create like little ponytail styles. So I just took a piece from that one. It's a different curl pattern, as I said, but I just went ahead with it anyway and stuck it right there on top. So at this point, you want to go ahead and cut off the cap that is covering your leave out. Now, I would suggest you use a black cap if your hair is dark. However, I forgot to buy, and I didn't have any on hand at home, so I just used what I had and it worked out fine. So at this point, if you need to add just a touch more glue anywhere, you can go ahead and do so. And then you can start to work on your leave out. I know you could still see a little bit of the brown cap. However, in the end, I did end up adding maybe 1 or 2 tracks directly underneath my leave out, just because I felt like there was still a little bit of space between my hair and the weave. So to kind of get rid of that space and to make it blend a little bit more seamlessly, I did add a little bit more hair directly under my leave out. So the size 1 that I used actually gave me curls that mostly matched the second curl pattern better. In order to match the first one, I would have needed a smaller barrel, but I ended up opening the curls a little bit anyway, so it wasn't so bad. And as the hair got bigger, my hair matched more and more every day. So here's the final look, guys. I really like how this look turned out. I think it's super cute, super quick, and it was so affordable. I definitely will be trying more looks with these quick weave methods. I know you could see the difference between my hair and the weave hair. However, as I mentioned, as the days go by, my hair started to blend more seamlessly, the curls opened up more, and the hair got messier, and that gave the most natural look. If you are someone who's afraid of glue, I would suggest getting them sewn in or clipped in. However, it is synthetic, so it won't last forever. As always, let me know your thoughts below. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.